Hi there, I'm Norris, co-founder and CEO of Kamiwaza. The top challenges enterprises are facing when implementing and scaling generative AI solutions is all around the data and all around the ability to actually move that data on-prem, cloud, or edge. What we do is counterintuitive. We actually process the data where it lies. This solves the greatest challenge for the enterprise, which is data gravity. Kamiwaza.ai is uniquely positioned to solve the enterprise challenges for generative AI through two unique capabilities. We have the concept of an inference mesh and a distributed data engine. Our inference mesh distributes the actual inference request to where the data resides. The distributed data engine understands where all of the data resides across the entire enterprise estate, allowing that inference to be redirected. Between those two technologies, we can solve the largest scale challenges of the largest enterprises and the largest federal entities. The Kamiwaza solution enhances enterprise operations on multiple facets. The Department of Homeland Security was utilizing Kamiwaza software to download over 70 years of environmental history, 33,000 files, 1.3 billion rows of data, and literally 1 trillion points where they can now provide emergency responders predictive analytics on how new events are coming in, whether it's weather or just general inclement conditions. We're also working with Campbell's on live feeds from Amazon, Kroger, and Walmart so that they can actually get predictive analytics on their supply chain and forecast their revenue. The Intel Gaudi 3 accelerator fits into our customers' demands to actually implement inferencing where the data lies. The ability to have large GPU processing air-cooled at a low voltage really allows it to fit across the cloud, the prem, and the edge in a uniform solution. And it's a great alternative and a primary solution for our enterprise customers. Kamiwaza and Intel are pushing the generative AI edge, and I mean that. We're actually pushing these solutions within the cloud, with IBM, on-prem with multiple OEMs, and now we're looking at edge-based solutions that the Intel Xeon 6 unlocks. We're seeing great levels of performance out of the Intel Xeon 6 processors when it comes to AI. Kamiwaza is delivering business outcomes on IBM Cloud through the ability to actually have a hybrid approach. Being able to process the AI inferencing of the data locally in the data center and having overflow inferencing in the IBM Cloud is going to allow our enterprises to scale to untold levels. This allows the enterprise inferencing to actually move forward with what I love to call the fifth industrial revolution. A good 20 to 30% of operations fully automated through Gen AI.